Hello everyone. My name is Daljit Kaur from Darshan Academy, Dasuva. Today I am going to narrate a story about two cats and a monkey. So let's enjoy the story. Once upon a time, there were two meow, meow. There were two cats. They were very good friends. One day they were searching the food here and there, here and there, here and there. Suddenly they got a piece of bread. Now they were so happy. We got the bread, we got the bread, we got the bread. Meow, meow, meow. And they start jumping. But while sharing the bread, they made it in a small piece and in a big piece. One cat said, I will eat the big piece. No, I will eat the big piece. No, I will eat the big piece. No, I will eat the big piece. Meow, 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 meow. I will, meow, 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 meow. And they start fighting. There was a monkey who was sitting on the tree. He jumped down. What happened? Why you are fighting with each other? Okay. I will make your bread equally. And he ate the big piece to make the bread equal. Again he ate the big piece to make the bread equal. Again he ate the big piece to make the bread equal, to share the bread equal. And he ate the whole bread and went happily. Bye. The poor cats lost their whole bread and they were very sad. Meow, 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 meow. So, the moral of the story is we must learn to share what we have. We must learn to share what we have. Thank you.